So here we have the latest Chrome Canary 55 running on a MacBook Pro and a Wacom Intuos Pro digitizer. And just to show, pointer events is enabled in this build of Chrome from Chrome flags, and it does recognize pen as an input. So it's got the correct pointer type of pen, it's primary, and it recognizes pressure as well, so going from 0 to 1. Which is lovely. Now the only thing that is missing at the moment in this implementation is tilt information. Oops. Let's refresh that. So you can see, even though I'm tilting the pen, tilt remains at 0, I believe. Let's just double check. Yes, tilt is at 0. Nonetheless, a good start.